Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your car guide Vedant, and today I'm going to talk about very interesting topic as such. Means every topic is interesting, but this topic is bit different. That top 5 car tuning modifications. Yes, many people takes the car and modifies it, but there are some modifications which are actually harmful if you didn't well know it and just doing it with somebody else or fixing it with just one, not with the help of expert. So let's get going right away. The first means the fifth one is spoilers. Yes, many people in India have tendency, mainly the sedan guys, that hanging up a spoiler makes their car look a bit different and sporty also. So many people takes just an aftermarket bump of spoiler and just place it at the back. But there are lots and lots of minus points of it. Well, which are it? If you didn't place it properly, it will just add the weight to your car. Mainly spoiler for the supercars and sports cars now. When they are made, they undergoes almost till 100 test. Means every part of a car, means if you are taking a high end supercar, every part of it now is qualified from 100 to 100 test and then only comes to you. So hanging up a big bump of spoiler over the back could be very dangerous. In fact, spoilers in the supercar makes downforce for the car. Means गाड़ी चिपकी रहती है, downforce produce करती है. But if you didn't place it properly, it will add weight to your back of the car and it could also give uplift to your car. That instead of getting downforce, the car will just fly in air. And these are some of the cases. So, well, you could see over here, these are some of the aftermarket spoilers, but you should avoid it. Why? Because it could, if it is not properly placed, it could provide downforce upforce to your car. Means the car will fly. You could see this is just an aftermarket chunk as such. You could see it's just for looking much more presentful, but still it's very dangerous for your car. You could just see. And this is an factory fitted spoiler. You could see it's just done in so much perfection. You could just check this out. It undergoes over the 100 tests and then only comes to your car. So you should better avoid spoiler if you don't have an spoiler in a car. You could just see these are just aftermarket chunks. You could just, and now the second topic over here is chambers. Now chambers you couldn't see in India as such, but still there are some guys who just chambers their car. Now what does it means? It means that normally your car's tires position is just like this, means 90 degrees, but some gets negative chambering to their tires. What does it means? Well, your tire will be placed like this, means like this. You could just check out in this picture. You could see there's a lot of negative chambering. Well, it's often in India, but some guys does it, and it is very harmful to a car. First of all, it will make pressure to your axle. Second, it will why is it? It is for only for supercars which runs in a track, and they also doesn't has such a great negative chambering. They just has a little bit of tilt to 5 degrees. Why? Because when they leans in the angles now, means the cones now turning sharp turnings, then the car lifts. Means in the rallies as supercar races, the car lifts from the end, and to place it over the 90 degrees now to the land, to the ground, to have maximum contact and maximum grip. That's why chambering is there. But some guys just doesn't understand it, and they just gets over and over negative chambering. You could just see in this picture. You could just check this out. You could just see so much negative chambering, isn't it? You could see it. it's just very harmful for your car. It will. And another minus point of this, that your car's tire isn't very low or touching the ground, means only this much of the parts car's tires is touching the ground, so it will have low grip, and even if you brake the car now, it will not brake properly because the grip is very less. The contact to the ground and tire is very less. That's why it will also not brake perfectly. So yes, it's very dangerous. You could just see some of these examples. This guy has just done so much negative chambering to his car. You could just check this out. You could see. Just so rubbish is it? Isn't it? You could see this guy is just sitting over here in this. Funny jokes apart, but still it's very dangerous for a car. So please don't do it if someone suggests only also. So now the third one is spacers. Now what exactly the spacer means? Spacer means ना वो एक जाड़ा चंक होता है मेटल का. Means it is a thick chunk of metal which is having 2 centimeters length. Yes, 2 meters, I have said it wrong, but 2 centimeters length. Okay. Now why are these? A simple example for this is if you take BMW's car. Okay, a simple BMW 3 Series has a track for almost 2 meters. Okay, it has a track, means the distance between two wheels, मीन्स यहाँ पर एक व्हील है, यहाँ पर एक व्हील है, तो इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस क्या है, इसे ट्रैक कहते हैं. तो फिर what does it has? It's M3. That in M3 na, the car's track is much wider than the 3 Series. The car is based on the same platform. The car looks same. The car has same things inside, but just engine is changed and it has wider track. So what does wider track helps? Well, it helps in more cornering grip also. So yes, it's quite a bit plus on the side, but some guys just does spacers and make spacers for adding more blonginess to their car. Just check this out. You could just see. This is type of spacer. Now this guy has done experiment, but you could see just how much spacers he has fitted between. You could see these are called spacers, and it will give much more bulging appeal to your car. Okay, you could just check this out. See, that's called spacers. Now the second topic. This is also not gradual in India, but some guys does it. That updating their car's engine. Yes, many people does that. They वो छेड़खानी करते अपने engine से, means they just add turbo over here. They just add performance parts in the car. Even if the car is not tuned for performance, they just does it. And even the sports car guys who has Lamborghinis, Ferraris, they also do it, and over an extendable level. That's called turbo kitting. You could just see this. This is aftermarket turbo. You could just see. It's just hilarious. If you could see, it's just so because the car having a limit. The car's engine even has a limit, because this Lamborghini which I have shown that it's packed with V12. Means you could just see it is a V12 engine, but still they are doing turbo in that engine, so it could be very dangerous and the car can even explode. And the best example for this is, well, you could see these guys have also done turboing, and then if your turbo will get more, then this will happen. You could just see it's a Lamborghini Gallardo, and you could see what just pataka. But yes, it's very sad truth, because many people takes their car and modifies it in their engine to make the car much more powerful. But if you didn't does it with proper proper guiding or experts, it could be very dangerous. Yes, there are specified tuning companies like ABS, then Brambus. They does tuning very properly, but the tuning which does by garages now, don't prefer for those, because it could be very harmful for your car and anything can happen. Just like this, you could see this guy have also updated his car and his car had caught fire. You could see another example of it. So now All these types I have told that spacers are there, chambers are there, tuning are there. These all things now I may not see in India, but this one thing which I am going to show on the number one, it's very common for everyone. What is it? Well, it's very simple. Big tires. Well, perfect example for this is just this. You could just check out. This guy had done 20-inch wheels. Even this car is not tuned for it. He had updated through 3 inches. It's just very dangerous. This type of modification is very casual for Indians because now they have much more attraction in wheels. So they just takes an base model of any car and they plumps a big alloy wheel in it. So that could be very dangerous. Why? Because when you will increase the inches of the rim now, the tire size, the tire profile size will decrease. Okay. So by that the side wall of the tire will also decrease. Okay. The side wall of the tire will decrease, and then the tires all over strength will also decrease because the tire is just having appropriate rubber for the car, because the car is already 2.2 tons in weight and you are adding a high profile and low profile rubber to it, so it could just can't handle. So it is better preferred that you should take the car with whichever tire it is having. Don't try to modify it as such, and even if you are modifying, keep in mind that you should only update it in till 1-2 inch, maximum 2 inch, not more than it, because it could be very dangerous during fast drives. Okay, so let's see some of the examples of it. Could just see this guy had chunked so big wheels in the car. Yes, it gives very big profile, very big presence and height to your car, but still it's very dangerous. But just think of it that your car is going to 200 kilometers per hour and it just hits pothole at that time. The whole energy of it will just go to the tires now. And if the tires rubber profile is less, then the rim will break. It's the inside rib, that steel racket will break, and then your car will get air control over 200 kilometers per hour. So yes, it's just not expected. It just doesn't happen. It's very rare, but still precautions is better than care. So you could just see so big wheels. It's just unnecessary. These are all Mahindra Scorpio also, because many people think that yes, this is Bolero, but many people think that giving big tires to the SUV makes much more presence. But no, please don't do it, and if you are doing it, keep in check that you are not getting too big. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, you could give it a like. If you don't like it, you could give it a dislike. Stay home, stay safe.